the Gandhigram Rural Institute, deemed to be university, was selected as one of 10 institutions nationwide by the University Grants Commission (UGC) under the 9th Plan. The HEPSIN team is led by Dr. H. Samuel Dhavraj, who serves as the coordinator, alongside Dr. B. Sindil Kumar, who serves as co-coordinator. Ensuring educational equity for differently abled individuals within higher education. Raising awareness within the academic community regarding the unique needs of differently abled students. Enhancing facility accessibility to accommodate differently abled students. Supplying specialized devices to augment educational experiences for these students. Overseeing the adherence to and implementation of relevant laws and policies concerning higher education for differently abled individuals. We have taken significant steps to identify and implement essential architectural modifications that support differently abled individuals. Our initiatives, which include the construction of ramps, installation of handrails, and provision of specially designed toilets with lowered wash basins, are vital steps towards removing physical barriers. To support academic efforts, we provide a dedicated free photocopying facility. Students have unlimited access to photocopy academic materials, notes, and reference documents, making learning easy and efficient. We believe in the power of digital inclusion, which is why we proudly offer a free browsing center specifically for our differently abled students. This dedicated internet facility opens doors to digital resources, empowering them to enhance their learning experience and reach their full potential. In our institute, we empower visually impaired students with specialized equipment to transform their learning journey. Our big screen computers magnify text and images, dramatically enhancing readability and accessibility, opening doors to new possibilities. To enhance visual accessibility, HEPSIN offers dome magnifiers, spectacle magnifiers, and hand magnifiers. These thoughtfully selected devices empower students to overcome visual challenges, enabling them to read and navigate academic content independently with confidence. We provide high-quality auxiliary crutches made of lightweight aluminum, ensuring physical support. These crutches are designed for comfort and stability, greatly assisting students with mobility challenges. To promote physical fitness and well-being, our campus features a static cycle. This specialized equipment enables students to safely engage in physical exercise, enhancing their health and overall well-being. Sports and recreation are vital to a well-rounded education. To support this, we offer specialized sports equipment, including a carom board with a light shade for better visibility and chess sets. Our main library proudly offers a various collection of 130 Braille books, providing visually impaired students with invaluable access to literature and educational resources. Comprehensive support group counseling, soft skills and technical skills training, entrepreneurship workshops, communication skills enhancement, and emotional intelligence development workshops. The UGC Accessible Audit supports a barrier-free campus, highlighting our commitment to an inclusive environment for all students, especially those with special needs. This report highlights our progress in promoting accessibility and serves as a model for other institutions. Together, we are cultivating a community where every student can succeed and achieve greatness, realizing not just their dreams, but also the transformative power they hold to impact the world.